Certainly are some interesting times right now as we're settling in to the coronavirus and taking all the precautions to make sure that we stay at home and are managing teams virtually. I talked about some key topics in my previous videos that I'd invite you to check out if you missed them. But trust and trust-based communication are clear differentiators of effective teams. The third principle, if I had to pick a top three, it would be inclusive leadership. Because what we know is that inclusive leaders make better decisions 87% of the time and average 19% higher revenues and 20 to 30% higher profitability rates. We know that diversity and inclusion drives business results. And I would gather what we're going to learn from all of this on the other side is that these inclusive teams seamlessly handled a virtual work environment and saw it as an opportunity to grow instead of an excuse for bad behavior. There's a reason that inclusive teams outperform non-inclusive teams. And what I would offer, three kind of key tips for being an inclusive leader. First and foremost, you need to lead like an ally. What is an ally? It's showing up for somebody that's different than you, that might be underrepresented in the organization, and offering to mentor, to sponsor, to coach, to be a listening partner, a sounding board for them when they may not feel their voices heard. So you're seeing people and believing in people that might otherwise not feel a sense of belonging in the workplace. Also, they're givers. They give their time, they give their resources, but they do it intentionally. And that's a key word because givers sometimes can become the doormat. They also can really, if they focus their time and energy on those that can benefit most from their gifts and are truly aligned with what I call their skills and their wills and the things that they're passionate about, they can really land and produce some really great results. They prioritize their gifts for people and experiences that truly drive them. And then they influence others. And this is almost a seamless skill of an influential and inclusive leader. They don't even think about it. They're so humble that they're like, that's just natural that people want to follow me into battle. They follow you because you have attributes that resonate with them. You're confident but humble. You're a listener rather than a teller. You are curious rather than having the answers. You're empathetic versus sympathetic. Big difference there. And these tools, if we harness them as an inclusive leadership and unpack them, your team will be able to ride the wave of change regardless of the situation. So again, these are definitely some strange times upon us. We're on the other side of it or approaching the other side of it here soon. Join me for my virtual crash course to learn more about how you can develop these skills on trust, communication, and inclusiveness as a team and as a leader. Join me at nextpivotpoint.com.